Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, what's your favorite season? Summer? Winter?
Oh, I love summer. Sunny days and the beach. What about you, Nina?
I love autumn, the cool air and the beautiful leaves. And that's our topic today, the seasons. We will learn 8 easy words to talk about the seasons and the weather.
Perfect. The weather is a great topic for small talk in English. Let's start.
Simple English daily, hey, come and learn a little every day.
But first, a fun question, Alex. There are 4 seasons in a year. But which season has the longest day of the year? Is it A, spring, B, summer, or C, winter?
I'll say B, summer.
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
So, Nina, let's start with the first season of the year.
That's spring. Spring. Spring is the season when the weather gets warmer and flowers grow. In spring, the trees are green again.
I love spring. And after spring comes the hot season, summer. 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 Summer is the hottest season. In summer, we go to the beach.
And in summer, it's often sunny. Sunny.
Sunny. When it's sunny, there is lots of sun in the sky. Today is a sunny day. Say it with me. It's sunny.
It's sunny. Then, after summer, comes autumn. Autumn.
Autumn. Autumn is the season when the leaves fall from the trees and it gets cooler. In autumn, the leaves are orange and red. In American English, we say fall.
Beautiful. And in autumn, it's often windy. Windy.
Windy. When it's windy, the air moves fast and strong. It's windy today. Hold your hat. Say it with me. It's windy.
It's windy. And the last season is the cold one. Winter. Winter.
Winter. Winter is the coldest season. In winter, I wear a warm coat.
And in some countries, in winter, it's snowy. Snowy.
Snowy. When it's snowy, white snow falls from the sky. The mountains are snowy in winter. So pretty.
And there's one more kind of weather. In every season, sometimes it's rainy. Rainy.
Rainy. When it's rainy, water falls from the sky. Take an umbrella. It's rainy today. Say it with me. It's rainy.
It's rainy. 4 seasons and lots of weather words.
Now you can talk about them all.
Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence about the seasons. Then you try and tell us about your favorite season. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
My favorite season is summer.
Number 2.
In spring, the flowers grow.
Number 3.
Today, it's sunny.
Number 4.
In winter, it's cold and snowy.
Great job! Now you can talk about the seasons in English.
Now, the answer to our question. Which season has the longest day of the year? I said summer.
Yes, you're right. The answer is B, summer. In summer, we have the longest day of the year with the most hours of sunlight.
Yes, more sun, more time at the beach.
Exactly.
Summer days are long and bright. Let's say our 8 words again. Spring, the season when flowers grow. Summer, the hottest season.
Autumn, the season when leaves fall.
Winter, the coldest season.
Sunny, lots of sun.
Rainy, lots of rain.
Windy, lots of wind.
And snowy. Lots of snow.
Great work today! Now you can talk about the seasons in English. What's your favorite season? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.